In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change to the new Google Ads design, ensuring that you're up to date with the latest and most user-friendly interface. With just a few simple steps, you'll be navigating your Google Ads dashboard with a fresh, modern look, designed to enhance your experience and efficiency. Let's get started. To begin, open your web browser and head over to the official Google Ads homepage. You can find it at ads.google.com. This is your go-to source for managing your online advertising campaigns efficiently. Once you're on the site, look towards the top right corner of the page where you will find the Sign In button. Give that a click. This will prompt you to enter your account credentials. Go ahead and sign in using the email and password associated with your Google Ads account. After you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the Google Ads home. This is the central hub for all your advertising efforts. It's where you can view your campaigns, track performance, and make adjustments as necessary. From here, we're now ready to dive into the appearance settings. Start by locating the appearance option in the main navigation menu. It might be on the left-hand side of your dashboard, so make sure to scroll through the options if it's not immediately visible. Once you've found appearance, go ahead and click on it. This is where the magic happens. Google periodically updates its interface to improve user experience, and opting for the latest design ensures you're making the most out of these enhancements. The new design features an intuitive layout with accessible tools, customizable options, and streamlined navigation, all aimed at optimizing your workflow and productivity. If prompted, you might need to confirm that you want to switch to the new design. Don't worry, this change is reversible. If for any reason you need to go back to the old design, you should find an option to do so within the same appearance settings menu. However, exploring the new setup might reveal some handy features designed to improve the way you manage your ads and analyze your data. And that's it, you've successfully switched to the new Google Ads design. By following these steps, you've ensured that your dashboard is aligned with Google's latest offerings, which focus on leveraging modern design principles to enhance user efficiency. We hope this tutorial was helpful and that you find the new design intuitive and refreshing. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out or leave a comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials that help you make the most of your digital marketing efforts. Thanks for watching, and have a fantastic day navigating the new Google Ads experience.